Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello dear student. Now today we will make the table. Let's make a table. The table of 2. 1 and 2. 2 ones are 2. 2 ones 2. 2 ones are 2. 2 2 twos are 2 2 twists. 2 twists 4. 2 twos are 4. 2 threes, 6. 2 threes are 6. And 2 fours are 8. 2 5 are 10. 2 6 times means 2 6 are 12. 2 7 times यानी 2 sevens are 14. 2 8 times means 2 8s are 16, and 2 9 times means 2 9s are 18, and 2 10s time means 2 10s are 20.